This road here is Eastern Bypass. It goes to and see what I'm wearing. Yeah, because I want to go out. I'm wearing some gumboots. You cannot just go down there without gumboots because and actually most of the times these roads, inner roads, are always like this, very dumpy. Some plants. See some avocados. Guys, welcome to this channel. Welcome to today's video. And today's video I want to go around this area. This is where we reside. This area here, it's called Pipeline, and the most populated area. You see the reason why we put some papers, because of this water. So actually right now it's raining, and I want to show you how this area looks like when it's raining. It's really struggle. So I want to go down there and show you how we struggle on this area of Pipeline in Nairobi. This area is located in Nairobi, and it's one of the most populated area here in Kenya and also here in Nairobi. It's very crowded. Even you can tell by the buildings that are constructed in this area. So join this video, kindly subscribe, like it. Let's go down there and see how it looks like. It's really a struggle. But actually most of the time when it's raining here, we also don't have some electricity. So we go for like a blackout when it's raining heavily. So I want to go down. Let's go and see how it's like. So before I go down, my wife have joined me here. We have stayed here for quite some time. I've been saying this, we have stayed here for like 4 years. So my wife will have a share about during the rainy season. What do you think about this area? Can you just greet people?
Hi guys, how are you doing? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching us from. And today we woke up on a rainy day, you know.
It's raining, even you can see the crowd.
And here when it rains, it's messy, you know. Messy.
Yeah,
This
actually it's
mess. Well, you can't move.
You just stay
out.
indoors.
It's indoor, it's quarantine.
Actually you can see what I'm wearing, yeah? Because I want to go out, I'm wearing some gumboots. You cannot just go down there without gumboots because the roads are very poor. The
Very
drainage
poor.
is very poor. It's very. Let me go down and show you how it looks like. Yeah.
We'll see how it looks like. Me, I'm not going. I don't like going down when it rains.
Then it's raining.
Yeah.
So I have.
But you will go with my husband. He will show you.
Yeah,
all
I'll show
the way.
them.
But there is somewhere they have good league.
Yeah, actually I will go to that place also because I'm having some activities. As I saw you guys, I want to pick something.
Yeah.
So I also show you another part of this part, which
see
is
how different
the different part of this area, because there are those areas which are well paved and they look nice.
Yeah.
Considering they are all overcrowded, but some places really looks nice than others. Yeah.
So me, I wonder those people who give birth on a rainy season at Pipeline, they suffer.
They suffer a lot.
They suffer a lot.
They suffer a lot.
Because it's a must, a baby to be put on the sun, you know.
Yeah, because of the sunlight. And you know, with these overcrowded
Because of yellow
houses.
fever.
Yeah,
you know.
because of these overcrowded houses.
So
You know, to get some light.
so
Not
when
easy.
it rains, they suffer a lot. Especially the babies. Why?
And also for those who have small babies, or those for those who have kids which are lactating, what do you call it? Lactating and infants.
Infants. The infants.
English is not English. They always go on that top roof there for the sunlight.
Yeah, but this in our this
House.
we don't go to the rooftop. I don't know why. They
cross the rooftop. You know the reason why they cross the rooftop? Because of the suicide cases.
Yeah.
Most of the houses they cross the rooftop
Because of suicide.
because of the suicide. Sometimes people have a lot of things to go through in life, and they end up going down up there,
Yeah,
and then they jump.
like 2021. Someone jumped from 7th floor down
From 7 to down floor.
this house. Yeah.
This house, Allah,
We saw him just
jumping. So he was jumping on which side? This side or this side?
Yeah.
This side. And he died.
You can't be right.
You can't survive
How?
because it's a 8th floor story building.
7th floor.
Is it 8 or 7?
7.
Oh, this is 7. Oh, ours is 8.
Yeah. So just imagine throwing yourself from 7th floor
So I
to
think
the ground.
I think that is the reason why they cross the way to rooftop. Yeah. So let me just go down, and so then I will be back.
So take care when you are going out.
Thank you. I want the lake to be, what do we call it?
Yes, it can't
Kupungue, yani
it's small.
ipungue.
It can't
This is how the area looks like, man. Hey,
so go
down. I'll go there down and show you how it looks like. When we say these houses are overcrowded, this is the reason why. You see, we have this house here, and ours is this one here. Very overcrowded, blue and green, all same house. Actually, sometimes you don't have right. Especially when it's not. See some corridors, they are very dark, raw white. And then few steps, you see another house here. See how people dump some litter, some wastage. Look at that. Lighting, pipeline. So yes, some staircase. Don't have some light. Sometimes you use some torch to access. It's very hard a lot light. And downstairs, and it's dark. So you just take on top there. And most of these houses does not have a lift. Even though it's items. How you strong? So this is the station. You see how it looks like? Having my gumboots. The station here is tricky station. And actually I'm harming myself with this here because it's drizzling. It was raining heavily, but now it's kind of drizzling. That's why I'm wearing this. Look at this. In Kenya we say noma sana, tricky sana. So most of inner roads looks like this. This is Nairobi. Now it's raining also. So most of these areas always looks like this, and but they are trying to improve the status of the roads here. Like this road here, I'll go and show you that roads here, which they are trying to improve the status. They are trying to improve the status of these roads here. It's dumpy, look at it. So when it rains, that's what you go through, always. And actually most of the times these roads, inner roads, are always like this, very dumpy, full of water everywhere. So can you just comment down there and tell me how do you think about this area? Can you leave this area if you are given option? Can you live in this area, or you can just you say no, I cannot stay here? Look at them. And also we have very big houses. Let me wear this my umbrella, form of umbrella. So they are trying to improve this road here. You can see we have construction materials. So they are trying to improve this road. To be most of the roads here, when they are improved, they use cabros. They pave using cabros most of the time, because that is one of ways of employing some youths here. So this will be hard packed. It will be hard packed. Yeah, and through hard packing, youths will get some jobs. It's raining, still raining. So when I'm recording this video, it's raining. After my camera is getting some drops, rainy drops. So I'll go this way. And then I saw you the other side of this area where they have improved the area. And actually when they have improved the area, it looks nice. So most of the time here in November, it's rainy season, and most of the areas in Kenya, they are planting season. So that's why it's raining right now, because it's a planting season. So people here struggles a lot. They struggles a lot, especially when it's raining. And most of the time when it's raining, we don't have also, when I was saying, we don't have electricity here. Struggle is real here. Just imagine kids, as I was saying in another video, that they always play at the road. Imagine when it's raining, you can only stay indoors. And the narrow streets. These streets are very narrow. You can also see like this road here is paved, but you see it still has some water. You see the drainage is not that good. This is some water. The rain is very, very heavy. I need to take a shelter because it's becoming too much. And also it's very cold. You know, here in Kenya you don't experience the extreme cold. So when it's a little bit cold, you feel it. And actually when it's raining you have to be very, very careful because you might step here and there is a drainage hole there. Like stepping in this here, there's a trench of drainage. Then you find yourself. So I think this is a Kenya Power vehicle, so they are going to try and restore the electricity. We always have a blackout, so it's late in this area. I don't know the reason why. And we don't have some trees. Hey, look at the state of this road here. Let me just pass here. So this is another area that I was telling you that it's extremely different with where I am coming from. Because you can see this area is paved. See? This area is not messy. They have paved it with cobble. So the road that we have seen there, they also want to pave it this way. They want to pave it this way using the cabros so that they can elevate the status of that road because it's messy inside those streets. So I want to go this way. I want to take something there before heading back. I decided let me just show you how this area looks like. Our area of residence. We have stayed in this area for like 4 years now. And they are still developing, they are still building some houses. So most of the time here, the houses ranges from $50 to like $150. This depends on the size of the house. We even have some single rooms, bed sitters. Single rooms, I mean the latrine that we are using, it's common latrine for like one floor. They have several latrines where you share. And also bed sitters are where it's self-contained. It has some inclusive of toilet, it's some sink area, and others now they are 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and all that. So they are still constructing. When you go, it's raining, but it's very risky. Those men there, they are risking their life. You know, most of the time when it's raining, it's very slippery, so you can easily fall from the house top there. See, they are still constructing. This area constructions goes on daily basis. Developers or entrepreneurs, they don't want to see some vacant plots. If they see a vacant plot, they will locate that plot. Those who have money, they will buy the plot and then they start building such houses. Dog mogres. What do you call street dogs? Dog mogres. See, this area is well paved. Cannot compare where I'm coming from. It's well paved. So far so good. How do you think about this area? Just comment down there below, and I really appreciate. And also kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Yep. This road here is Eastern Bypass. It goes towards Vika Road from Mombasa Road. So I'm going to pick something at a certain mall which is located on this side. That's why I decided, let me just walk around with you guys, and you get to know about this area of Nairobi and how it looks like when it's raining. Yeah. Thank you very much for always joining my videos, watching them, liking them. I really appreciate. For those who share my videos, God bless you. Yes, thank you very much. Let's go. So petrol station here is not like here petrol station has have some attendants. You see, we have some attendants. It's not like whereby it's much. So the attendants are those ones who are wearing green and red. This it's called rubies. When it's raining, there is always traffic. Hey, my camera is getting some water. When it's raining, there is always traffic. You can see. But actually, most of parts in Kenya, it's raining heavily. Most of the parts in Kenya. So I want to go to this mall here. And, I want to take something there. This is the mall in Eastlands. It's called Southfield. So I want to pick something from this mall. Andre Mall, which is found in this part of Nairobi, which is right line. It's called Southfield Mall, and it has everything. It even has some Java house, some KFC house, some eateries. Yeah. So you can see the KFC man there. This is KFC. It's one of the famous malls in this area. Want some butter? This is butter sauce. We're having some of Black Friday, 50%. So I want to take some to find something inside here. So this is a supermarket. It's called Carrefour. Is it Carrefour or Carrefour? Carrefour. Due to copyright, I have to mute the music. Some plants. See some avocados. Avocados they are selling at $1.59 per kg. See? It's not that expensive. This is Hass avocado, they are selling at $2.29 per kg. Popo is $2.49 per kg. $1.89 per kg. Those are bananas. This is for cooking. So things here are not that expensive. See spinach, 18 bob. So do you call this spinach? How do you call this? Is this spinach? You know, I found that they have different names. Oh, these are corns. Pumpkin 109. It's very good. These are some garlics. Ginger. This is ginger. Garlics are down here. There are some things that I have never eaten, like this one here. I don't know what it is. Orange price. They're selling at 200. Some chapati. These are packed chapatis. But we rarely buy packed chapatis. We always cook them in the house. So let me just head out, and I think I want to end this video here. Just go and edit. So I think I will I'll do my video over here, and hope you have idea Hope now you have idea of how this area looks like when it's raining. So I want to end my video, and thank you very much for joining this video, for liking, and please kindly subscribe to this video, share to friends and families, and I would really appreciate. So until we meet on the other video, so till we meet on another video, see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.